Alright, y'all. Let's look at a couple of these. We have to do basically what we did above, and then add them together. So let me show you what that is in a minute here. So this is square root 48. Now, 48 is a weird one because 4 goes into it, but 16 works as well. So on one like 48, you got to use that 16. There are only a few like that. 32 is like that as well. You got to use 16 with 32. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. That'll be 16 and 3. So that'll be 3 times 4, square root 3. And then that'll be a 12. Alright, and then let's do this one over here. Plus, let me see, 4 goes into 12. 4 goes into 12. So that'll be 4 times 3. Okay, square root of 4 becomes 2. And then that'll be an 8 there. Now in this section, I'll set them all up so they match. You have a square root 3 and a square root 3. So this is just like if I said 12x plus 8x. Well, that'd be 20x because 12 and 8 add up. So it's the same thing here. If you have 12 square roots of 3 in your left hand and 8 square roots of 3 in your right hand, you have 20 square roots of 3 altogether. And I don't know why I didn't put the 0 there. Okay? So 12 and 8 give you 20. And, you know, if you add apples plus apples, you get more apples. If you add square root 3 and square root 3, you get more square root 3. I'll do one here and then let you try a couple and put the answers up in a minute. Okay? Let's go ahead and do this next one here. Now, let me see. 63, 9 goes into that. Okay, so it's going to be 5 times 3, and that'll be 15. Over here, 28, 4 goes into that. Oh. And then what do I got? Okay, square root of 4 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Then add it up. 15 and 6 give you 21. All right. So a couple additional steps there. I don't think the additional step is too much. You're just adding things together, but it's definitely weird. So that's why I give you a bunch of practice. Go ahead and try to crank some of these out. The ones that are up here I'll put on the board in a minute. Careful that 16. 16 is a few of these. Like 80 is 16 times 5. Let me see here. 32 is 16 times 2. So I think those are the only ones that are 16. There's another 80 over there that's also a 16. Okay? So just watch out for that 16. It can sneak up on you. Go ahead and try some of these out.